Was I wrong about the no contact? Was doing no contact a mistake? My name is Coach Adrian, and I am here to explore the implications of going no contact after a breakup. Now, usually when someone asks this question, it's because they did not get the expected outcome and results from a period of no contact after a breakup. Perhaps you were expecting that your ex would message you first, or perhaps you were expecting that you would quickly get back together right after the period of no contact. And I'm telling you this because no contact, more than a strategy, is a mindset. And if you are entering this period of no contact with a needy mindset, trying to basically cut corners, the odds are that you're going to be disappointed. The odds are that you're not going to be able to quickly get back together because you have not approached the no contact period the right way. It is first and foremost a means to create the conditions for a change in you. And if you are disappointed, it is most likely because that change, that transformation did not occur, was not profound enough. Because when that transformation does happen, usually your expectations are not only met, but exceeded. And the process of breakup recovery starts to become a lot more organic and easy. It is no longer you trying to chase an ex or convince them to take you back, but actually two people who are learning to trust each other again, learning to attract each other again, and rebuilding something new. But in order for that to occur, your no contact must result in something tangible, in a transformation that is tangible, new habits, new mindset, and new actions. And if you are able to cultivate this transformation, this new mindset, these new habits, and these new actions, the odds are that you can never be wrong about the no contact. Of course, there are nuances, and you can approach it in a way where opportunities could be missed or where mistakes can still occur, especially if your significant other reaches out to you. And that's why I always talk about a tailored approach to no contact, making sure that it suits your reality and making sure that you take opportunities that come your way to advance your process of breakup recovery. I go in much more depth about these tools and this approach and these strategies in my video posted below. And I really hope that you will take every opportunity that you can to learn these ways to communicate with your ex effectively after a period of no contact. Because just because you've changed and transformed doesn't mean that you will seize opportunity to reconnect with your ex the right way. And so I highly encourage you to check it out. It is my gift to you, to those of you who are committed to actually doing the work and to having no regret. If that change and that transformation does not occur, it does not result in new mindset, new habits, new actions, it's going to be very difficult for you to actually have a successful no contact. And you won't be able to actually have realistic expectations throughout your process of breakup recovery as well. It'll be short-sighted actions that lead to perhaps short-term results. But this is not what this is about. In the end, I want you to lay the foundation for a new relationship. No matter how things ended, if you take this as an opportunity to grow and to learn, good things can happen. That is how you maximize your chance of not just rebuilding this relationship, but also being in a fulfilling relationship moving forward. I really, really hope that you are inspired by this video and that you take a long-term, healthy mindset to the process of breakup recovery. It doesn't have to take long for you to get back together, but your process of growth and change must go beyond this initial period of no contact, beyond even getting back together, and well into this new dynamic that you will have been able to establish. Very few people that I've worked with have had regrets or sort of disappointments when it comes to the no contact technique. I've done an entire module in my master course on how to get back with an ex, which is the most comprehensive course I believe ever created on the topic. Why? Because it's effective. Because it enables you to regain control over the balance of power, and it enables you to reintroduce yourself to your ex and to dispel some of the misconceptions that they have about you and about a future relationship. But you need to have the right mindset, and you need to approach it the right way. And if you do, you will not be disappointed. You will not be wrong about no contact, because it's always tailored and applied to your reality, and it opens up new possibilities for you as well. That is how you're going to inspire your ex to also change and to grow, because of the period that how you will have used this period of pulling away. And it will lead you to a sustainable relationship, like it has so many individuals that I've had the chance to work with and to support through my master course, through coaching sessions, and through the content that we put out to support you on your journey. So, as always, I want to talk about practical applications and to go deeper into this topic by answering the question of one of you, the members of this amazing community who trusts us and who engage with us, who share learning with us. And it is a new segment that I'm going to try to continue to do, if you guys enjoy it, throughout this new year. And so if you do enjoy it, if you like this segment, let me know in the comment section below. Please submit your questions so that I can answer you as well and provide you with next steps. And you can do so either directly in the comment section here or privately sending me an audio message on our Instagram. So let's listen to the question of the day. Now, let's take a minute to listen to the message sent by a lady named P that will be read from one members of my team. Thank you, P, for your question.
I've been in no contact for the past month and a half, and I just want to know if my ex is completely done with me, or if he's just confused because he continues to check my social media every day.
Thank you so much for your question, P. So you were not wrong about the no contact, P. I actually think, knowing a little bit more about the context of your situation, because you sent me a few messages, that you're dealing with a man who's having troubles committing. You're dealing with a man who still cares about you, but is taking you for granted because of perhaps how available and flexible you have been in the past. This man is not done with you, and the fact that he still is checking your social media shows that. And in this specific situation, because I know the intricacies of your situation, I do not want you to make the first move. It is not an indefinite no contact, but an adjustment of how you've been approaching it. You are in a needy mindset where you are also focusing more on what your ex does and how they validate you, rather than on actually what you need to do during this period in order to reclaim your power. And so remember what we learned in this video. You have to have a new mindset. You need to develop new habits and new actions in order to have a lasting impact on your significant other and to set the tempo to get them to really, really start to change and to evolve as well. And P, although time has passed since the last time you engaged with your significant other, it is not what I refer to as no contact. It's not the right mindset and the right approach. And that will not help you maximize your chances of building a new relationship, which is the goal. It's not just about getting him to reach out to you and to validate you and to tell you that he misses you. It's about creating a new relationship that's different from what you've experienced in the past. If this is the right man for you, he will be inspired by your detachment and he will chase you. And he will do so in a way that it will enable you to be in a different type of relationship moving forward. But you have to stay accountable to yourself. You have to set the right boundaries. And in your case, you have to continue to pull away and to be in the right mindset in order to see the fruits of your no contact. But a new relationship is within reach. And just like many, many, many others that I've worked with along the way, it starts with your confidence and your belief in what you bring to the table and overcoming that fear that this man is just going to move on, forget about you, meet someone else. Because that is what causes you to reach out too quickly or to not be focused on what you should be focused on in order to lay the right foundation. So P, stay strong, continue to fight the good fight and to value yourself, and you will see that in time, this period of no contact will have an impact on this man who will then give you the attention, the respect, and also the transformation that you deserve. So, just like P, you probably also were not wrong about the no contact and its potential, but you were perhaps wrong in your approach, in your focus, in the things that you did during this period in order to reap the fruits that you are striving for, in order to make sure that you're setting the foundation to reconnect the right way and to build a new type of relationship. I want to thank P and I want to thank you for your support and for your trust. Without you, all of this would not be possible and I would not be living with purpose. So I appreciate you very much. If you'd like your questions answered, please leave them comment section below or in private audio message on Instagram. Again, thank you for your trust. Keep fighting the good fight and know that there are so many resources at your disposal to support you on your journey. Take good care.